I didn't want to put all three of them up here because, of course, all the boxes say the same thing. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Deidre, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for returning. Today we're going to be talking about the stationery company Cloth and Paper, and this is not a full unboxing. This is a partial unboxing. I purchased 3 boxes over the last few weeks, and 2 of the boxes I opened up and checked out everything, but the last box came today, and I wanted to share my opening with all of you. Now, I only have 1 box in front of me as of right now. I didn't want to put all 3 of them up here because, of course, all the boxes say the same thing. But I will open up the very first one that I got first, then the second one, and then we'll unbox the last one together. This is what I received. As you all know, we all get this card when we order from Cloth and Paper, and it has a coupon code on the back, and this is just a picture of their page lags, the neutral kind. This is the 2 smaller things that I purchased from them. It's the morning mindset, and they have 6 affirmations on here that you can follow to get your day started. And these are the vertical inserts that I purchased. These are for 2020, and they are the vertical weekly lined. The first page is a "This belongs to." The second page is a world clock, and then we have the conversions table. We have 2021, a year at a glance. Then we have the holidays, and then your inserts start. Your inserts have the goals, your important dates, bills due, and then you have a to-do list on the side, and then you have the date of the month. Each one of the pages, well, each one of the months comes with a calendar overview, and then this is what the inserts look like. On this side, it has a calendar of the month, the week of, and then it has Monday, Thursday, and Friday on one sheet. And then you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday on the other sheet. And then this is what they look like side by side. These inserts go all the way to the end of the year. It has a note page, and then we have some contact sheets, and that's those inserts. Okay, this is the next box from Cloth and Paper, and it is, let me take everything out. Let's remove it. We have some page flags in the new color. We have some new dots to match. We have some black dividers with the top tabs. You can flip them over and use them as bottom tabs if you like. It's 4 that come in a pack, and yes, they are plastic and they're very sturdy. Last but not least, in the second box is the Kobe Bryant quote, and it's a dashboard, and the quote says, "Everything negative, pressure, challenges is an opportunity for me to rise." And at the very bottom of it, it says, "Comfort is overrated, exceptionality is no accident, and find your focus." And that's everything I received in the second box. Okay, now here we go. Okay, you know, everybody gets the card no matter how many times they order. We can see that this is an actual unboxing. Now, let's take out what's in here. Now, what I received was the half-page flags. About to put me an A5 planner together. You have a calendar at the bottom, and you just have some note paper. And it has lined paper on the opposite side. You have a nice amount of sheets. These are gonna look real nice in my new planner when I start setting it up. Now, let's see what this is all seems how we're not in 2021 yet, I had to get me some inserts, and I was able to snag these at a fraction of the cost. This is the one that I got, and I got it from August to the end of the year. They have lines on it. They have priorities, the to-do list, note, and then you can make a schedule over here of your day. And you have one, well, you have two, I guess you could use that, one clear sheet, and that's it. No lines or anything on that. And that takes you to December the 31st. And then I picked up these inserts as well. And even though this one starts from January 1, I mean, you can actually repurpose these if you really need to. You can actually just cover this up with a sticker and cover the dates up with some stickers that have numbers on them, and you can just use them accordingly. I can just start off with August, so I got those to go side by side with those. That's all that I picked up from Cloth and Paper. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that post notification bell so you will never miss an upload. Go ahead and subscribe, because if you made it this far, evidently you want to be a part of the family. To everybody, bye-bye.